Good, as always, is JNL Customs. Today I'm going to be doing a DIY on putting in a coolant pump on a 328i and also the thermostat. So coolant pump sits on the passenger side, as you see it right there. That's the coolant pump, and the thermostat is right there. So basically what you're going to need for this job is E12 inside start bit and a screwdriver, as you can see right there, flathead screwdriver and a Phillips head screwdriver to take off all the hoses off of it. I'm also going to replace the coolant temperature sensor that sits right here. I bought a new one from AutoZone right here. This is a 2008 BMW 328i. What happens is when you turn the car on, no any check light, no signs of any problems. But when you drive it and you're probably like a mile into the drive, you'll see an engine temp symbol that comes up and it says engine temperature too high. And then if you continue to drive, it'll turn red. It'll turn into a red symbol, and then it'll say something like engine temp too hot, pull over and stop the vehicle and turn it off. Don't open the hood because it's scalding hot. So that's the problem, how we're gonna fix it now. I'll keep you up to date with the update and see how the results come out. All right, man, as always, JNL Customs. Just like I said earlier, you're gonna have your coolant pump and your thermostat on the bottom of the 328i on the N52 engine on the passenger side. You're gonna have your steering hoses right here. Just take this off right here. Remove that. Put the screw right back. Two 13 millimeter bolts on this side, and two 13 millimeter bolts on this side. And bring this down. Once you have that down, you have your thermostat and your thermostat housing. You're gonna get a pick. This one's by Craftsman, and you're gonna pull that tab that locks that in, and then you're gonna pull it. That comes off. And if you follow this first, you're gonna have the one pump right there, and then you're gonna have the ground wire, which is right here. And the ground wire, this one is gonna be an inside start bolt to 12 millimeter. Inside start bolt 12, E12. Not a 12 millimeter, but E12. This one, push in. Push in first. Push out. So to remove the thermostat, you're gonna have two 10 bolts right here. myself and everybody, we usually take the screws off and we put them right back where they go after we take off the part. This thermostat is now loose right here. You're gonna get a flathead screwdriver, unloosen this, lefty loosey, righty tighty. Same thing with this, just about everything that's hooked up to the thermostat and the coolant pump. Gotta have a little bit of coolant coming out. Even though I already drained all the coolant from the coolant plug on the bottom of the radiator on the driver's side. And the reason why I drained all that is because I'm gonna do a coolant. I'm gonna do a coolant flush. And also, not only am I gonna do a coolant flush, but I bought some bars radiator leak fluid that lubricates the coolant pump and also plugs in the leaks in the radiator. And I happen to have a leak right here on the radiator, so hopefully that closes it up if it's not too big. If it is, I already got a drip tray right here. Transmission oil and regular oil. That's what I add coolant to my list today. Make sure that shit don't get in my eyes. So now we got this hose off. Got this hose loose. And this is the thermostat right here. There's gonna be a hose that goes up to the reservoir tank. And then there's gonna be a hose from the thermostat right here, which goes to the bottom of the radiator. Right here. So this one, I mean, it could be difficult, but right there, if you can see it, instead of trying to go for the bracket pin or clip all the way at the top where you pull it, what you could do is just pull one side of the clip, which is this side right here. Pull that shit up. So right here, use the pick, push up. Man. That's how it looks right there. Usually what you would do right is see this part right here. You will pull it, bam, and it'll take these, both sides of the clip or the pin or whatever the fuck you want to call it, out of the actual insert where it locks it in. Right there on that part. Or actually on the thermostat part right there. So now I'm gonna pull this off. Thermostat, pull that hose off, shake it back and forth, should come loose. Oh, you already read the directions, bro? Alright, that's cool. Pull this hose down away from the thermostat. Just pull it down here. Push that shit to the side, make sure you don't rip it or anything, or you don't have to get a new one. And then up there, there's gonna be another hose that goes to the thermostat that I told you runs up to the reservoir box. And it also connects to this right here. It goes up. It's gonna be the same thing the same thing that we just did with this thermostat hose. Connects to the radiator. And do the same thing with the one that's above it. Here's the clip. So I gotta keep my cool through these devilish traps, devilish maps. I used to be on them in fact. I still praise to this day for how I bring in the class. I don't need no thing from it, I just want you all back. Pull that off. So the wire harness to the thermostat, which is right there. One pump hose that goes to the thermostat, which is right there. And then the reservoir box. The small hose at the top of the thermostat, and then the radiator hose that goes to right here to the thermostat as well. With that off, you can do it various ways, but I'm gonna do it this way. Pull this shit out the way. These hoses. Trying to make you some room. What you can do, just pull this. Pull it all the way up. All the way up there to where it's out the way. And then once you got that out the way, take off that bottom E12 bolt. So this is the coolant pump. We already took the E12 start bolt out right here. This one was broken. Looked like somebody broke a wire torquing it. Who the fuck knows? But there's also one all the way up here. So get a extension in the E12. Make your way up there. Dead on there. And you're gonna be going through the subframe right here and the radiator. That little space that goes in there. Now that we got the two E12 bolts out right there, and then one out the top out, you're gonna tilt this down and bring it out. Then there you go. Coolant pump is out. We got the other one right there that we're gonna put in, and the other thermostat hose that we're gonna put in. So there's gonna be this hose right here. You loosen up, pull that one off. Make sure you don't rip it. And pull the thermostat out. Thermostat and the coolant pump out. First where it bolts on, that one's broken. And then there's one bolt at the top. As you can see, it's your ground wire right there. And then your harness to the cooling pump. And then a harness to the thermostat.
You are now listening to Anywhere Well.
I got hell on my mind, feeling like too far. Third tier, open bar, man, fuck the law. This shit is not for anyone, but I've been doing this a lot. Back then it was juvenile, it's prison a lot. Be the same, but the action's more stuck in the box. Cut the change, cut the gains, let me out to my son. I feel your pain like the rain in the bay through the mud. I'm a father, but against you from that KCB hood. I don't forget where I'm from, even when shit is good. Some people lose it on they life, not holding everything good. Everything bad is a lesson blessed from your past. You can never feel the future without feeling the glass. Get a wine in my glass, but it's strong for the last. I'm in my present feeling reckless like I have in my past. It's so I paradigm shit, the mentally for the grass. A better option, better action, show my family don't crash. You see I used to be something before I heard him say dad. Oh, you coming home soon, be good, okay dad. So I gotta keep my cool through these devilish tracks. Devilish maps, I used to be on them in fact. I still praise to this day for how I bracked and I clapped. I don't need no fame from it, I just want you all back. Pearl Claudia, big swig, red rum and a jack. Just known them for a fact, bring my man villain back. All my homies and homegirls that I lost to the trap. Bubble voodoo, big rap, big summer on cognac. Rich man swift with it, where the fuck y'all be at? Take these prisoners all away so all my G's come back. You know yet, bro, steady, curly on the big end. Lost communication from the separation and shit. I go in, y'all get out, in the tank in the pen. We see each other sometimes, but shit, that's about it. This Illuminati moving world, got it sitting on bricks. Hit and miss, summer back, life's a trip. The sky is blue, through my sunroof, light a split. It's been a long fucking time since I seen my bro split. Last time I was whipping with him, dodging a bitch. On the way up today, go just to kick it and trip. At J Mom's old house, young and fuck up your pigs. Run out of liquor and Brucey, so we gon' relive. More bottles, less problems, more trouble and shit. If you don't get it, what the fuck you better pass the gin. Rent paid, taxation in the hood is a trip. Dress new before they settle, we don't let the new win. Yeah, yeah, hey, hey, hey. Feeling my vibe, feeling my vibe. Hey, 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 hey. Don't be killing my vibes, don't be killing my vibe. Hey, 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 hey.
Welcome to our music family.
Vibe to it, yeah. Hey, won't you vibe to it? Hey, hey, they gon' vibe to it. Hey, I vibe to it. Hey.